Hey there everyone, welcome back again to another video on PTC Creo Parametric. In our last two videos, we spoke about sweep tool inside PTC Creo Parametric. We saw how we can perform sweep along constant section. In this video, we will talk about how we can utilize sweep to remove material. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so here you can see we have created this basic sketch that I also have utilized to create a variable section sweep. And let me actually, choose sweep command and let's create a simple sweep here. And let me actually use this circle and let's make it 120. And now let's hit OK. And then there we go. Here we can see we have completed this sweep. Now at the same time, I also would like to remove material from it. So what I can do here is I can again go to sweep and then let me select the same trajectory because I would like to follow the same path. And then here again, I can click on section and then let me add palette so that it looks interesting, not the boring circle that I kept on using. So let's click here on palette. And now here I would like to go with maybe stars. Let's go with 6-tip star and let's keep this star at the center. And let's also make radius as 5 and let's hit OK. Now let's click OK again. And this time, instead of adding material, I'm going to click on remove material. And there we go, guys. In this way, guys, we have seen how easy we can utilize sweep tool to remove material as well. That's all, guys, from my side in this video. I hope that you find this video helpful and informational. If yes, then do like and subscribe to Engineering Pritam to follow more such content. And I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye-bye.